Virtual reality and augmented reality are the future of everyday technology. The Hudway Cast is a portable heads-up display universally designed to be used in all vehicles. It allows us to get a taste of the soon-to-be norm in car tech and displays a transparent image about 9 feet in front of your vision. It's a sort of augmented reality product that sits on the top of your dash above the steering wheel and wirelessly mirrors your smartphone to its clear glass display. Get used to AR information displays and projections like this in your everyday life. I'm sure heads-up displays like this will be a standard feature on cars in 10 years, not even. We're already seeing it in the 2019 BMW 7 Series, Chevy Corvette Stingray, Mazda 3, Lexus RX, Jaguar XF, and Mercedes-Benz C-Class, just to name a few. Out of the box, the Hudway Cast comes with the heads-up display. Quick start guide. Butterfly adhesive mount. OBD2 power cable. Phone dash magnet mount. Metal plate. USB OTG cable, adhesive cable mounts, and Allen key. The buttons include smartphone switch and volume for the built-in speakers. The glossy back looks nice at first, but it's almost impossible to clean smudges completely off. I would have gone with more of a matte design. The mirroring is made possible with a small projector mounted on the back of the Hudway Cast, which projects the source to the glass. Wireless mirroring works with both iOS and Android devices, and connecting is simple. Power up the display by plugging into the OBD port in your car. Use the smartphone switcher button to choose iOS or Android wireless. Go into your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Hudway's source. iOS devices, swipe up, select screen mirroring, and choose the Hudway. Android devices, swipe down, select Smart View, and choose the Hudway. If you follow these steps correctly, your phone's screen will be wirelessly displayed on the Hudway's glass. Hudway includes a very durable magnet phone mount designed to fit on any flat surface in your car. Attach the metal plate to either the back of your phone or the back of your phone case. Hudway also has an app designed to be used with the display. Download Hudway's Hudway Cast app from the iTunes Store to use. It's no longer available from the Google Play Store on the published date of this video. The app allows you to use Hudway's own navigation app, Hudway Go, plus control your music and wireless calls. My favorite part of the app is the different dashboard widgets that you can display besides navigation, like date and time, temperature and eco score, digital speedometer, classic speedometer, gas usage and cost, and land meter. Yes, you can mirror anything from your smartphone onto the Hudway Cast, but since I highly recommend not mirroring videos or non-navigation apps directly in front of your driving vision, I won't show that. The Hudway Cast even supports wired mirroring for non-mirror cast Android devices with its USB OTG cable. The glass display tilts to accommodate all angles, and the mirror provides great visibility in shade and good visibility in sunlight. The Hudway Cast can get a bit shaky when driving on particularly bumpy roads, but holds up fine on well-paved ones. I also didn't fully apply the adhesive mount, which probably would have helped a little bit. The Hudway will shake with the engine when the car is stagnant and idling. The car must be fully turned on for the Hudway Cast to power up. Hudway includes the OBD2 power cable, which connects to your vehicle's OBD2 port below the steering wheel. It does come with wire mounting adhesives to help hide the wire away. But if you don't do a good job mounting and tucking it all away, the cable will be a hassle when driving. They also have a cigarette plug adapter option on their website. The butterfly mount easily attaches to the base of the Hudway Cast. It is designed to fit all car dashes, most of which are generally a unique design to accommodate steering wheels. Its adhesive base is flexible and incredibly sticky. But make sure you clean the top of the dash before mounting it to ensure a long-term fit. They have other more compact and stable mounts available on their site. The Hudway Go navigation is pretty decent and is ideal for the most covert looking maps option when you're looking straight ahead. It's designed to really only show the graphics vibrantly. However, it took a few seconds too long to reroute me once it found out that I was at a right turn only. The Hudway Cast is a very cool idea, but I don't know how comfortable I am driving with something directly in front of my face that isn't built into the vehicle already. I mean, God forbid I get in a car accident on the highway. Is this thing going to come flying at my face at 68 miles per hour? However, if you're one of those people that can't live without navigation apps every time you drive, can't stop looking down at your phone, or are an Uber or Lyft driver, this would be a driving tool to strongly consider. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for the Hudway Cast in the bio. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new, leave your comments below and join the conversation, like the video if you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.